If you've ever tried cooking outdoors for a small group and ended up juggling uneven heat, burnt edges, and food that finishes at completely different times, you know how quickly a relaxing barbecue can turn into frustration. Portable grills often promise convenience, but very few actually give you consistent control once the charcoal gets going. That's exactly the problem the Feasto Portable Tabletop Charcoal Grill is trying to fix. This is the Feasto Portable Tabletop Charcoal Grill, built for camping trips, picnics, RV travel, and small backyard setups where portability matters, but you still want real charcoal flavor. It's designed for 2 to 4 people, making it a practical option when you don't need a full backyard smoker, but still want proper grilling performance. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it feels more substantial than most portable grills in this category. The powder-coated steel body gives it a solid, slightly industrial look, but not in a bulky way. It's compact enough to move around easily, yet when you pick it up, it doesn't feel flimsy or overly lightweight. The handles are well-positioned and wrapped for grip and heat protection, which actually matters when you're moving it mid-cook or setting it up at a campsite. What stands out most in the design is how much control it gives you for its size. The adjustable charcoal tray lets you raise or lower the heat source, which is something you usually only see in larger, more expensive grills. Combined with the dampers and chimney system, you can actually manage airflow in a meaningful way instead of just hoping the charcoal behaves. The built-in thermometer also helps take the guesswork out of temperature control, especially for longer cooks. In real use, this grill performs best when you take advantage of those control features instead of treating it like a basic firebox. Once the charcoal is properly heated, the cast iron grates hold temperature well and distribute heat more evenly than typical wire grates. Burgers cook with a better sear, chicken gets a more even finish, and you're less likely to end up with those frustrating hot spots that ruin smaller grills. The warming rack is a small but useful addition. It gives you a place to rest food without overcooking it, which helps when you're trying to time multiple items at once. For example, you can finish burgers on the main grate while keeping buns or vegetables warm above. It's a simple feature, but it makes outdoor cooking feel more organized. Cleanup is fairly straightforward thanks to the removable ash pan. Instead of tipping the whole grill or scraping awkward corners, you can separate the ash compartment and handle disposal quickly. The cast iron grates do require a bit of brushing afterward, but that's pretty standard for this type of grill. There are a few trade-offs worth noting. While the temperature control is better than most portable grills, it still requires a bit of learning to get consistent results. If you're used to gas grills, there will be an adjustment period. Also, while it's marketed as portable, it's not ultra lightweight, so it's better suited for short trips or car camping rather than long hikes or carrying long distances. Compared to other portable charcoal grills in the same price range, the Feasto stands out mainly because of its combination of adjustable charcoal height, airflow control, and cast iron cooking surface. Many competing models focus only on portability and basic grilling, but skip true heat management features. Higher-end portable grills might offer slightly better insulation or build refinement, but they usually come at a noticeably higher price without drastically changing the cooking experience. Overall, this is a thoughtfully designed portable grill that leans more toward control and consistency than pure simplicity. It takes a bit more effort than the most basic tabletop grills, but the payoff is more predictable cooking and better results across different foods. If you're looking for a portable charcoal grill that gives you more control than the average compact setup, this is worth checking out. The link is in the description if you want pricing and details. And if this review helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.